Hi everyone, we can continue exercise 15a. Now we can do question number 21. In quadrilateral ABCD, diagonals AC and BD intersect at point E such that AE is to EC is equal to BE is to ED. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Given AE is to EC is equal to BE is to ED. So we can write in fraction form AE divided by EC is equal to BE divided by ED. So just changing AE divided by BE here and EC the right side. So AE divided by this BE to here, BE here. Okay. This only we are interchanging. So AE divided by BE is equal to EC divided by ED. Now consider triangle AEB and CED. So these two triangles, these two are vertically opposite angles. DEC is equal to angle AEB, vertically opposite angles. Also AE divided by BE is equal to EC divided by ED. AE divided by B is equal to EC divided by ED, since it is given in the question. So we can say that using SAS postulate that two triangles are similar. Look at EAB and ECB. EAB and ECB are what? And EBA and EDC. EBA and EDC. These are pairs of alternate angles. EAB, ECB, then EBA and EDC. This one, these two and these two are pair of alternate angles. So we can say that AB is parallel to CD. If it is parallel, we can say that what? That two are alternate angles. Since these two are alternate angles, we can say that just converse of that. AB is parallel to CD. If AB is parallel to CD means, what is the condition for a trapezium? One side of parallel. So AB parallel to CD means we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. One pair of opposite sides are parallel. That is a condition for a trapezium. Both the sides are parallel, then it will be a parallelogram. If one side is parallel, we can say that it is a trapezium. Now we got AB is parallel to what? AB is parallel to CD, so we can say that ABCD is a trapezium. Next question number 22. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to side BC and AD square is equal to BD into DC. Show that angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Given AD square is equal to BD into DC, so AD square can be written as AD into AD is equal to BD into DC. So this you can write either as AD divided by DC is equal to BD divided by AD, or AB divided by BD is equal to DC divided by AB. This you can write in two forms. Next we want to find out the similarity. Check whether they are similar or not. So consider that angle ADB and ADC. If you are taking the two triangles ADB and ADC, these two angle D is 90 degrees since it is given AD is perpendicular to BC. And we have AD square is equal to BD into DC. So we can directly say that using two sides and one angle. SAS postulate. So these two triangles are similar. Since these two are similar, angle B is equal to angle DAC DAC, and angle C will be equal to angle BAD. These two angles, DAC, these two angles will be equal, and these two angles will be equal. Since this is 90 degree, these two angles will be equal. Angle B and this angle A will be equal, and this angle C is equal to angle DAC. So angle B is equal to angle DAC, and angle C is equal to angle C is equal to angle BAD. Okay. Once again, I will repeat that. Angle B is equal to angle BAD, and angle C is equal to angle DAC. I think it is clear. That is, once again I will explain. Angle B will be equal to this one, and angle C, I will draw 3 lines. This will be equal to angle DAC. Let that be two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So adding equation 1 and 2, angle B plus angle C is equal to angle BAD plus angle DAC. Look at BAD plus angle DAC is what? BAC, the total angle. BAC. So angle B plus angle C is equal to angle BAC. So what is that BAC? BAC is angle A. Angle BAC is the total angle, angle A. So consider the triangle ABC. Sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Angle sum property we can apply. So angle sum property we can apply. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus C, we got it as angle A. So replace that as angle A is equal to 180 degree. These two angle A is equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle A is equal to 180 divided by 2, which is equal to 90 degree. What is that angle A? Angle A means what? Angle BAC. So angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. Without changing this angle A, you can directly write also. Okay. Angle BAC is equal to 90 degree. That only we want to find out. Thank you.